Imagine yourself in this Kia 2020 Forte GT-Line. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 147 horsepower, 2-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, Bluetooth, clock, in-dash and cruise control. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.